Let's hop into this burn test, because we about to see what type of hair we really got on our hands right now.
Oh, Chyng, and I like you do your thing, huh? Don't know where you gonna go, looking good from head to toe.
Y'all, it's your girl Chyng back in this thing again. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit the bell on the side, that way you never ever miss an upload. Y'all, today we are about to review this hair company, y'all. It's going down. We got a new unit. It's called Mystique, top quality raw Indian hair. Okay, the bundle started at 50. Okay, you can't lose with that. But look, y'all, we about to hop straight in, okay? Y'all, so we're gonna pull this thing out real quick. We got the wig. Take the net off this thing. Ooh, shoot. Look at the luster. Look at the luster on that hair, baby. What? Look at that. It's all full. Look at that, y'all. This is nice. So y'all, I'm gonna show y'all video. Yep, it's the HD lace. You can tell how thin it is and wispy it is, but it's HD, y'all. Look. Look at this shit. So y'all, what I will do probably is pre-pluck a little bit extra. It is already pre-plucked, but I'll be pre-plucking just a little bit more. I don't like to pre-pluck too much because I like my wigs to last very long. So as y'all see, like with this wig, this is pre-plucked just a little bit. And I don't bleach my knots because I feel like when you bleach your knots, your shit start balding fast, okay? Am I the only person, if you bleach your knots and start balding fast? I think bleaching knots is cool if you get in a wig or something that you're gonna use for a one-time thing or two-time thing, but who in the hell is about to invest? You understand what I'm saying? Their money into a wig that they can only use one time. It's like most people that's gonna invest into a wig, they want to use it multiple times and over the years, or even bring it out, you know what I'm saying, a few times, nah? Now I feel like sometimes people get it confused. They see IG models and they see how their hair is different every week or every other week and stuff like that. But you gotta understand, baby, they have the means of doing that. Not only is millions of hair companies contacting them, you get what I'm saying? They're sending them the hair. They're sending them the hair. They're installing it one time and then they're not using it anymore. Or they'll come back later on and transform a wig that they already have into something. You get what I'm saying? But even with me, I get a lot of hair sponsorship. I just prefer to use it for a longer period of time so that I can let you guys know whether it's actually good hair or not. Unlike some people, they're just gonna hop on a camera, look at this, this is good, okay, buy it, how you buying it, and then sometimes it's not good hair. So that's not me, y'all. So yeah. First to say, y'all, the hair has a beautiful luster. It's really full. Let me look at the details. First of all, let's see what else we got in the bag, because it feel like it's something else. Okay, she gave me two of her cards. You can find her at Instagram, Mystique Beauty Hair. At Mystique, MYSTIQUE Beauty Hair. And then y'all, with that, I got a pair of lashes, boo. So I absolutely love when people send out their packages and they have lashes to go with it or some type of gift. It's nothing like having something free with what you paid for. Okay, let's get back into this wig though. It's really nicely constructed. Let me show you the inside. It's really nicely constructed. It is a 13 by, I believe, 4 frontal unit. It is very, very thick and full, so I'm very happy about that. And I might want to do something with a curl similar to this. I'll probably curl it and do like some type of waves. We got our brush. Let's do it. So y'all, this is just the initial review. I will be installing this wig. But just like as an initial review, so y'all can kind of see what I think. Y'all see it's not tangling or nothing like that. It's actually very pretty. It's very full. I got like 2 strands of hair or some shit, which is very typical for any wig, honestly. And as y'all see, it's really full at the ends. You feel me? I'll probably trim off a ½ inch, but other than that, it's really full. And on the actual head, it's gonna lay more like this. So that's actually pretty dope as well. Like I said, it is pre-plucked. It's pretty dope from what I see. Like I said, I don't like it plucked too much because I don't want it to be like crazy. Or I hate when it's pre-plucked too much to the point where, just say I want to be lazy today and throw a cap on and put my wig on, I don't want you to be able to see my line through it. You get what I'm saying? So when you pre-pluck them too much and they go too far back, you'll see that line. If it's not a molded cap method or whatever. You get what I'm saying? So far it feels good, y'all. So far it feels amazing. It's very soft, very full. I'm getting a couple strands of shedding, but that's normal for any hair. Nothing crazy, crazier than what I would expect. Let's hop into this burn test. Cause we about to see what type of hair we really got on our hands right now. Okay? We about to hop straight into this burn test. Now if this shit, I'm gonna show y'all the difference. Well, you know what? I can't show y'all the difference if it's really good hair because it's gonna burn properly. But what I'll try to do is insert a picture of hair that's fake hair and hair that's real hair so y'all can see the difference of how the burn is. So let's do it. So when I do a burn test, y'all, I typically get hair from the back of the wig. Just a couple strands, boo. Just a couple strands. Not on the very last track, but like on the second track from the left. You don't need a whole lot, okay? So I typically take this much hair. And I'm not even gonna cut it all at the root because I don't want it to like shed, but I'm gonna like, okay. Do y'all see this hair? We're gonna do it like this. So y'all see this hair, right? Now we about to burn this shit and see what happens. I'm gonna tell y'all whether this is real hair or fake hair by burning this hair. We got our plate, we got the hair, and we got our matches. So we're gonna get real close. We're gonna focus in on this one. We got our match. We about to spark it. Okay. We're gonna do one more. So far, it looks good. So far, it looks good. Okay, y'all. Well, y'all saw it. Look. You see how it just crumbled? This is pure ashes. That's real hair. Pure ashes right there. So, y'all, she got some real hair. The difference in the fake hair would be, okay, so even some people, they mix the fake hair into the wigs to make it, cause like it's still able to be curled and stuff like that, but it just can't be curled at really high temperatures. The smell of this hair, this is real hair. The crumble, it's a crumble that it does. It's like an ash crumble, it turns straight into ashes. That's how you know it's real hair. If it was fake hair, it would turn into some type of melted plastic type of feel, or like sticky a little bit, and it wouldn't completely dissolve. It wouldn't completely turn into ashes. So that's how I know the difference from human hair and fake hair. This hair is real. This hair is real. This hair is real. This hair is real, y'all. And the idea that I have for this hair is something crazy. It's gonna be a fall color, a fall look, and things like that. So as of now, y'all, I say go get it. Honestly, if you're in need of a basic wig or just something that you know is human, honey, this is all human. This is an all human wig, okay? So if you are in need of an all human wig, I just tested it out. I just burnt this hair. It is real hair. You can go and get one of these units, y'all. You can go get one of these units. So that is my initial review of this hair. stay tuned. Make sure you turn the notifications on. That way you can see me style this hair and see how I install it and things like that. I'm doing something fancy with it. I'm doing color. It's about to be crazy. Crazy. And you don't want to miss it. So yeah, y'all. I love y'all so much. Like I said, go get your units. They are human. They are real. Woo, woo, woo. It's about to go down, honey. It's about to go down on this damn color. Make sure y'all turn them notifications on. And hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. That way you don't miss this next upload. Okay, y'all? So as always, y'all, it's your girl Chyng in this thing. And I'll holler at y'all in the next one.